Aloha everyone, welcome back. Mike Drutar here at Pu'u Lani Estates once again. This listing is also brought to us by Randy Ripley at Compass. I'm going to show you the house inside and out, tell you the 3 things I like best about this property, and the 1 thing I would add if it was mine, if you stay till the end. So this one, I'll tell you right now, is going to have a spectacular, amazing view that is very uncommon anywhere on the island. First thing you're going to notice is this awesome drive in here. We have our drive around to our garage on that side, and then the circle drive here for your guests coming into the house. We have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,996 square feet, sitting on 1.1 acres, listed at $2.3 million. So we got board and batten on the side here, and it looks like we are fully guttered. Yep. Awesome elevation up here in Pu'u Lani Ranch. Great community, great space, great elevation. This time of year it's really comfortable. We're gonna walk in this house. So it is on caravan, so there's a few people here. We're gonna run right through, and I'm gonna tell you, the view is what really sets this one apart. I'm gonna look right at it. Boom. Check that out. All the way across and over with a water view as well. So let's start over on the far end of the house. We're gonna walk through real quick and then work our way back, starting with the guest bedrooms and then finishing up in the owner's suite. So, all the way at the very end, boom, first guest bath. Oh wow, we went dark here. There we go, that's interesting. All right, so we're starting here at the guest bath. Now I think you do need a little bit of mild updating in here, but our layout's really good. And it's pretty easy to update some of these things. I like what they've done on the floors, so that's taken care of, but you could probably just touch up some paint and some baseboard. Change out some furniture and you're set. So right here in this bedroom, I like how you have your nice little sink right here in the bedroom. We do have that bathroom right behind us. And then access out here to our covered lanai. Let's take a look at this real quick. So we got good size on this lanai. It's properly placed to really enjoy the view. I like that it's covered. Plenty of space. You could set up I would probably set up a little bit differently and have a nice little lounge set right here, like some of those Sunbrella brands, and maybe just 1 table instead of 2. And use this as a lounge, and maybe even set a hot tub right here. So looking out, I'm going to kind of give you the lay of the land here. That is Pu'u Wa'a. It's a famous hike. It's a popular hike that goes all the way around up to the top. You come in down here on the lower road. There's a gate. You drive on in. You park right over there where you see that little green house. It's actually, I believe, a little check-in station. This is a hunting area, so certain times of the year this is off limits unless you're a hunter. And then we have Hualalai Mountain right there. So Kailua Kona is on the other side of Hualalai Mountain. And then we have some ocean view over here. Got this gorgeous jacaranda tree on the neighbor's property. When those things bloom, they're all nice and purple. Really sharp. Okay, let's come back here in through this guest bedroom. I'm going to call this bedroom number 2. Over here to our utility. We got a stacked washer dryer. And a little work area with some storage, really nice. Service door outside. We have a detached 2-car garage over there with a breezeway in between. Coming over here to bedroom number 2. So here I think our flooring needs to be replaced. Looks like we got vinyl adhesive 2-foot by 2-foot tiles. And again, just change out the furniture, paint the walls, add in baseboard, and you are set. You know, like how they have a little nook here. And we have our closet and then our access out to that covered lanai again. So just some light updating and you're set on this one. Let's push through to the rest of our house here. So really unique area. So this is you saw these windows at the front as we were working our way in from the front door. So a really nice seating area. And I like what they've done up here with these beams on top. And again, just changing the paint, getting a light gray and then maybe a dark gray for those beams will really stand out, make it look nice and sharp. And then you may want to consider updating the countertops in here, but I like the layout. You might want to change a couple things here in the kitchen, but the layout is really, really good. I really like it there. You got a glass cooktop, dishwasher over there, corian countertops with built-in dual sink. Nice workspace over here. Plenty of cabinetry and storage in here. Just a ton. I really am digging these high ceilings. It just feels so nice. And then it just draws your eye out through that wall of windows. Just super impressive. And taking in that view. Really like that a lot. Then coming up to our living space. So 1, 2, 3 steps up. We're back here at that front door. I'm gonna put my back to the door. Kind of get the feel as soon as you walk in the home. So you can kind of see what you're looking at here. We have our fireplace, really good at this elevation. We got our view outside, but you can't see all the view. It kind of pulls you. You just want to be like, well, what else is over there? It just draws you in. I bet when people come to this house, they just shake hands and they walk straight out here to take in the view and see Pu'u Wa'a. Really nice. I like that they've turned this, looked like it was a lanai, and they've turned it into an enclosed lanai and put an office here. Awesome on that. So we have access to our office, and that office is right off the owner's suite. So there you go. Wake up in the morning, hop on the computer, wake up, turn computer, and this is what you're greeted to. And we're facing to the south, so you're gonna have sunrise views and sunset views as well. So that's kind of nice. Good amount of space here. We got an Eastern king bed with about 5 or 6 feet on either side of the bed, so plenty of space. Another 10 feet, 8 feet or so from the end of the bed to the wall. A lot of space in here. We're not skimping on the square footage. And then, oh, really neat setup here. Okay, so we have our closet over here. Good size walk-in. Goes all the way back there. Built-in iron. I'm sorry if that's old school. I like it. I am tired of pulling the ironing board out and the iron. So you give me a built-in ironing board and I'm happy. And then down here, we have that corian countertop like we had in the kitchen. Dual basin sink. Super large mirror. Helps it feel nice and big. Privacy door for the water closet. Step up into our shower. I would probably reformat the shower a little bit. And then we also have access out here, again, to our view. Okay, my 3 favorite things about the property. Number 1, the view, obviously. This view is super rare. I see a lot of ocean views, and it's great. Love the ocean views. Shoreline views are great too, but this combination of ocean and mountain, with the trees and the green and the blue, it's just gorgeous. Really like it. Oh, here's the hot tub. Well, that's smart. They put it over here instead of where I thought. I was saying put it on the other side, but yeah, you just put it here so you have a path out from your owner's bedroom. Okay, so number 1 is the view. Number 2, I like the architecture in that kitchen. For sure. Those really high ceilings and the exposed beams, I think that is a really fun look. My 3rd favorite thing is that it's in Pu'u Lani Ranch. This is a great community. Don't sleep on Pu'u Lani Ranch. There's a lot of value here. Some of these homes, if you put them in Kona, you would add hundreds of thousands of dollars to the cost. The one thing I would change, and you're probably going to guess it, it's just some general updating. Kitchen and baths, paint, doors, things like that. Nothing major. The most expensive part will be granite countertops or quartz countertops and some new cabinetry in the kitchen. Other than that, you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out some more of my videos up here in the corner, and I'll see you again real soon.